Hello kids, welcome to Kids World. Today we have brought for you a beautiful story. The Elephant and the Ant. In the dense, vibrant heart of the Indian jungle, the elephant roamed as the undisputed king. His massive feet, akin to those of natural pillars, shook the earth with each step he took. The other forest inhabitants were mere specks, barely worth noticing to him. Among these so-called inconsequential creatures was an ant whose home was among the roots of an ancient banyan tree. Unlike the elephant, the ant knew the value of every small creature in the forest and believed in the strength of unity. The elephant's careless behavior continued, causing havoc wherever he went. However, the turning point came on a scorching summer day when, seeking relief, the elephant stumbled into a mud pit near the river bank. Panic gripped him as he realized his strength alone could not free him from this trap. His calls for help, once commanding and authoritative, now carried a tone of desperation and fear. Upon witnessing the elephant's plight, the ant saw an opportunity not for retribution but for teaching a valuable lesson. She approached the elephant, her tiny voice firm and filled with conviction. "Mighty elephant," she said, "your strength is immense, but even the strongest among us need help sometimes." The humbled elephant nodded in agreement, realizing the truth in the ant's words. The ant hurried back to her colony with a heart full of hope and shared the elephant's dilemma. Inspired by her leadership and compassion, the ants formed a brigade determined to save the elephant. They worked tirelessly, coordinating with one another to loosen the ropes left by the villagers near the pit. As the elephant used the ropes to climb out of the mud, his heart was filled with gratitude. He looked down at the ant and her friends, no longer seeing them as insignificant but as equals, vital to the forest's fabric. Moral: the story's moral extends beyond the surface lesson of humility and teamwork. It teaches us about the power of compassion, the importance of looking beyond our differences, and the undeniable strength found in unity. The elephant's realization that his might was not enough to solve every problem and the ant's willingness to help despite past grievances serve as powerful reminders that kindness and cooperation are keys to overcoming obstacles and building harmonious relationships. So kids, how did you like this story? Let us know your thoughts and share your feedback with us. We'll be back soon with another story. Until then, keep laughing, keep smiling. Subscribe and share our channel so that every child can try to incorporate the lessons learned from these stories into their lives. Thank you and bye-bye.